Okay, this is what I got grocery shopping the other day. Asparagus, chicken. I had cabbage in the refrigerator when it was 15 cents a pound from St. Patrick's Day. Got a red onion. I got green beans. So here we go. Let me wash the piece of chicken here. A couple pieces, probably 2 pieces of chicken. Oh, there's a biggie. There's a biggie one. There's a biggie one. Okay, there's Bruce and mine. Here we go. Let me wash them and then clean them up. Okay. So, Bruce hates fat, so you got to get rid of all this fat right here. Anything that looks white, he can see it. I swear the man can find it no matter when. The vegetable beef soup, he said, "Did you take all out the fat?" I said, "Yes, I did." Okay. He wasn't going to eat it otherwise. My hands are still yellow there from the turmeric. Okay, so get that. That's a pretty good one now. And this one, take this one off, get this off of here. Creatures outside, the crows love this stuff. I could give it to the chickens, but I don't like the chickens eating the chickens. It's pretty disgusting, so. All right, so there's my 2 pieces of chicken. And I'm gonna slice these. Let's see. Okay, slice them this way, that's okay. Okay, good. This I can actually slice into 3 pieces. Okay, good. Put them on a plate. Oops. That is. Okay, put them on a plate, put them aside. Now the chicken, I can fry that anytime I want. I'm clean my board. I'm going to wash my asparagus. Asparagus is in season and it's cheap right now. $1.88 a pound, so you eat what's on sale, what's cheap. So, I'm going to take these. How you find if it... Yeah, that's nice. How you... That tells you where the tough part is. Even though it's green, it can be tough. And you don't want to bite into a chunky, tough piece. Sometimes I think the fatter ones, the male, there's male and female asparagus. I think the males are the fatter ones. That's what my friend Jeff says. He owns a farm, so he knows what he's doing, talking about. But sometimes I think the fatter ones are better tasting. Oh, that one's at the end. That one's near the end. Okay. Well, that's a tip. That was pretty good. So this will go to the chickens. Cut them in half. Just cut them in half. Parboil them. There. Perfect. Parboil those. Okay. Next, I'll clean up my green beans. You got to use green beans quick, or they go taking off the tips, 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 tails. Tips and tails. Tips, tails. Okay, I'll do this with all those, then I'll wash them, and I'll put them aside in a bowl also. Okay, I have 1/4 cup of red onion. I have my green beans cut up. I'll measure those in a minute. And now I just have to 1 stalk of celery. A little piece. I'm not going to parboil the asparagus. I'm going to stick them in the microwave for about a minute. Okay, I cooked the asparagus for 1 minute, and that's going to be fine. I'm going to put some oil on that, olive oil, canola oil on that right now. Just put it on there right now, a little bit of oil. This is olive oil and vegetable oil together, combined. And I'm going to throw on there some garlic powder, or granulated garlic, or garlic salt, whichever you prefer. Do it this way. Perfect. Oh, they smell wonderful. It smells great. Okay, I'm gonna put that aside until I'm ready to cook that. And these are my 2 eggs. I have 2 eggs I took out of the refrigerator. And I got my green beans in my water. Gonna cook my green beans. Parmesan, let's see, how many? Parmesan, grated Parmesan cheese. And there are no carbs, period. So we'll put some cheese there. And aside, Romano cheese. Stinky cheese. Stinky, stinky cheese. Ooh-wee. And this has a no carbs. There we go. And so, got that into the pan. Let's put some oil in. Okay. So, have my oil here, my cheese here. And my chicken. So now I'm going to get this going. Tongies are easy. That way you don't get it on your fingers. So here we go. I'm going to put it from here to here. Oop, turn that on. Put it on high. Okay. Yeah. Now we got that out of the way. Okay. 1 piece. Here we go. 1 piece into here. Kaboom. Coat it. Just flip it around with this thing. Kind of pack it on there if you can. And then stick it in there. Not hot enough yet, darn it. Should be sizzling. And from here to here again, flip it over, make sure it's coated. Really coated. And put it on there and boom. Right on there and boom, right there in the middle. Throw the egg out. Time to flip them over maybe. The first one. Boom. Second one. Boom. Not those others yet. Don't care how much oil is in there. That olive oil is good for you. Boom. Don't come off. Just cover that for the moment. I'll throw this right on top of that asparagus. With that last piece. Whoa! On number 4, it should be okay. There's the fire under it. Turn it. Turn it. Flip it again if you need to. And flip that again if you need to. It's going to take a while to cook. Just turn it down. Keep it on probably 3, near low, so it doesn't burn the outside, because now it's got to cook. And let's start this here. Put this here. Same, a little bit of oil. A little bit of oil. A little bit of oil. And our asparagus will go in there. Keep it on low. Let it cook slowly now. It's coated. Okay, now this is going. So now I'm going to throw in the asparagus. Now you can put these on the grill if you want. If you had your gas grill going, if it were warm out. We're supposed to get 4 to 6 inches of snow tonight. Tomorrow night. How exciting! More snow. The chicken looking good. That look great. I am hungry. Flip them one more time. Yeah. But actually, with the top that you're putting on them right now, you're actually kind of baking the chicken. You've coated it. So 3 or 4. Okay. Okay, the asparagus is almost done. You can see it's getting a little brown here on the outside of them, which makes them delicious. Oh my gosh, this is so delicious. With that stuff in them, there you go. So there's the asparagus right there. I'm going to throw that in the pan right there. I won't throw all the oil in. No, I won't throw the oil in. See, I'm leaving the oil out. I'm leaving the oil out. The oil is still in there. And, see, the oil is still there. There's the asparagus. Now, with the oil here, I'm going to take this, and I'm going to throw in some sesame oil. A little sesame oil here for a different taste for the cabbage and celery. 1 stalk of celery. 1/4 cup of onion. Okay. Turn that down a little bit. Then I throw in cabbage. How much cabbage? A couple handfuls, because that will cook down. That will cook down. And some of my turmeric and ginger mix. Boom. There you go. If you don't want that, you don't have to. If you don't have to, you don't want it, you don't have to. Okay? I'm turning that all yellow. Smells like the inside of an egg roll. Probably the sesame oil. You don't want them cooked way too much, because you want them al dente. Okay? So there we got that. We got that. We got the green beans, which are normal. And then we got the chicken, which I'm sure is done by now. I'll take it off here and look at it. And chicken. Here we go. I'm going to eat that piece. Delicious. And I think I'll eat that piece. I don't know if I could eat any more than that. I could probably eat that one. Let's flip it over so it looks good. Looks good. There we go. There's my chicken. Now, asparagus. I've got to figure out how much asparagus I'm eating here. I've got to approximate how much, and how much of this, and how much of this. Okay, there's my little cupperoo. So let's turn this off, and let's scoop out a cup of this. Cup of cooked cabbage. Okay. Turmeric and cabbage, okay. Asparagus. Let's see how many we're going to take a few of these sprigs here. I'm going to guesstimate on this. Put the asparagus there, and some of the little cheese stuff in the bottom there. crunchies there. Can you have those crunchies? There you go. Okay. And then let's put out there. And then let's do just a half a cup of green beans. Half a cup of green beans. I really don't want a lot of half a cup of green beans. Okay. Now I'll have to add all that up and see what I got. Let me add it up. I just did the calculating on the computer of the carb counter, and it's about 6.5 carbs. And I'll write which one each is down there. And that's a good meal for 6.5 carbs. I can actually have a glass of wine tonight. I am so full. I couldn't even touch the beans. I didn't even eat any beans, and I still have some of my cabbage left. So it just goes to show you the chicken. And oh, those asparagus were absolutely to die for. Oh my gosh, they're delicious. I think there's the crunchy fried up Parmesan cheese with the garlic. Oh, so delicious. So I am full. So I ate less than 6 grams. Yes.